Okay, you can see I blocked in all the colors, his pants and his jacket and his flight helmet. And what I'm going to do now is take the same color that I used on his pants, and I'm going to make a lighter version of it. And we're going to make up a bit of it here. Mix a little white with it. And we're actually going to make a dry brush tint. Okay, get a little more of that white there. Okay, once we got it pretty much where we want it, I'll wipe the paint off the brush and just gently paint the pants to pick up some detail, folds in the creases that are already there. And the pockets, it'll hit all the raised detail there. And they'll start to somewhat look like denim jeans. But that'll change a little bit when we actually tone them down after we're completely done. Alrighty. Giving it a little character and bringing out some detail. I want it to be a little more stark and not as subtle, so you can actually see this through the canopy and see that there is actually texture there. So it's actually probably a little more contrast than if you were just painting a figure by itself. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same with the brown, using a little white to lighten it up, to make a highlight. Okay. Alright, with the brown you want a little more white, as it doesn't lighten up as easy as the blue does. So we're going to mix more of that. Alright, looks like about right. And of course if it's a little bit off, you can always go back over it lighter or darker. Okay. And we'll finish highlighting the jacket and the boots. I'm going to highlight with actually a gray, medium gray, instead of actually using the white. I actually have a gray that I'll just use, and highlight the helmet, and then we'll get ready to start working on the face.